All right, this is Destruction 10. And here we have this antique brass hugger thing, which I have no idea what the hell it is. And now it's just spinning on its own magically. Stay still, you fucking piece of crap. All right. Let's get a look at this thing. The pull chain nut is broken. This blade is smashed. It's barely being held together. I have some tape on there. The cane is falling out of that one, and you can tell this one was in a renovation because of this white dust on this one. That's a dead giveaway. That cane is all messed up too. The finish is done. It has seen better days. Got a tiny little motor in there, probably like a 153 something. Yeah, I was already hitting it a bit. So it's already damaged quite a bit. And then the reverse switch is also pretty much dead. You barely can get it in the right position to make the motor turn. So I have it there right now. I hope it holds up through this video, but we'll see. And as far as our weapons go, we have a lot of weapons. Busted lawnmower bag. This piece of crap heritage from the last destruction. We got a block of wood here. Some random blades. A solar panel thing, which is dead. And I already smashed it up. This router again. Camera, sledgehammer, random canopy, you know, all that good stuff. And I have my brooms here just to get ready for the massive cleanup at the end. I hate this tripod. Stupid Amazon Basics tripod. Can't hardly get this to move. All right, that's probably the best it's gonna get. I hope you can see that well. And enough fiddle farting around. Let's power this on. That's high speed. Start with this camera. And that blade with the tape on it is probably going to break pretty much right away if I had to guess. The smashed router. Look at that, a piece of cane fell out. Blade. Two blades. Oh my god. Damn piece of shit. Come on, break. Those little pieces of particle board or whatever the hell these blades are even made out of just went all over the place. All right, enough with that shit. heritage motor from the previous destruction. Nice. The pull chain still works. Block O wood. Now we got his blade. Holding up pretty good, isn't it? Okay. The solar panel thing. By the way, this powered an outside light, and then like it lasted like a year, and then it just died. So, yeah. Oh God. Oh shit, now the wire's getting all tangled up in the shaft there. Well. And then now we got these two blades that I don't even know where the hell they came from. I got two of them. That blade just blew apart like dust. No, I forgot about the lawnmower bag. God damn it. It seriously quit already? I guess not. All right, this one's gonna be a little boring. I'm gonna cut the power off already because I'm making a shit ton of noise, and yeah, I don't know what the fuck the neighbors are thinking, but whatever. It is what it is. It is so hot in this shed. I am dying out here. It's up there better than I thought it was. Here's the stupid switch housing. These capacitors might still be usable. Oh, well, maybe not that one. But this one might be. I'm gonna put that aside. Oh, there it is. I think that's pretty well demolished. I think I'm just going to end it here before I end up ripping out this piece of wood. Because I don't want to damage this piece of wood up here and, you know, before this one comes ripping out. I think I'm just going to end it here. I'd say that's pretty well demolished. Look at the mess we made. What a disaster. All right, well, that concludes destruction number 10. I hope that wasn't too boring, but like I said, I'm making way too much noise. And it's like 90 degrees plus in this shed, so I'm sweating my ass off. So that's it. That was Destruction 10.